Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have a NASCAR Authentics from the 2020 Wave 7. We are going to be doing Kyle Busch's Snickers White Chocolate Car. Here's the back. Let's get Kyle Busch out of the box. So here's the hood. It's basically the same as his one on the car, except there's an 18, his signature. I'll just put that in front here, never mind. I was going to move it to the side, but not. Anyway, here's Kyle Busch. So Kyle Busch's Snickers car has a new design. Usually this design has been on... Usually this has the same design for his other Snickers cars, but it's usually a regular Snickers bar. But now they do Snickers White Chocolate and even Snickers Almond. So there is blue on the sides right here, where it says Snickers White. There's even a Snickers White Chocolate bar, well, what it looks like inside. A white 18 with some red lines going down all the way to the trunk. It says Snickers White on the back here with Toyota. On the sides, they're usually brown 18s. And both sides are actually different. So there's the white chocolate piece over here, way out here. And the white chocolate piece is near in front of here. There's also a red line to go down. So basically, the pattern might go right here and here. And in the hood, Snickers White Chocolate with the red line going up here and down. There's even a blue line over here. So we drove this car in Las Vegas to represent a new Snickers flavor. And basically what Kyle Busch does is that whenever Mars has something new, like the Fudge Brownie M&Ms or anything new from Snickers, he will usually sponsor it. Or promote it, in a way. And that's about it. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.